Hey guys, today I will be unboxing NCT 127's 2020 season's greeting. I did only get 127s this year, but I didn't want to get any more than one. It's just too much for me, so I forgot to go through this again, but we got these cute little pre-order cards. So you get all the members. So there's Taeyong, and there's Mark, and Johnny, and Haechan, and Jaehyun, and Yuta with those really pretty earrings, and Doyoung, and Taeil. Yeah, those are super cute. So I'm going to put those in my photocard binder. Let's just get right into it. Here is the cover and the back. And the sides are nothing, so yep. Okay, let's open it up. Alright. Blue inside. Let's take this off. Ooh, poke this. I'm so excited to see how much different this is going to be than Shinies. I just unboxed Shinies right before this. Let's go through them. So this is different. Element card and postcard. Ooh. Okay, and then we have, oh, this is the same as Shiny had this as well. Little calendar, the little mini calendar. And then the DVD and the desk calendar. And we also have the brochure and the diary and the stickers and the A4 postcards. So yeah, that's the end of the box. So just as I did for Shiny, we'll go through everything in the order that I took them out in. We'll first go through this. I haven't seen this before. Interesting. This concept is definitely interesting, but it's super cute. Whoa, whoa, what the heck? All right, what is this? Whoa, this looks like science. It's upside down. Weird. This is Doyoung? Oh, okay, Doyoung drew this. Is that what's happening here? There we go. Wow, that's a lot. That's a lot to take in. We'll have to show them on this thing because it's easier to see. This one's Mark's. Okay, my mom is playing the music so loud in the back, you can probably hear it. And this one is Yuta's. What exactly is this, though? And this one is Jaehyun's. Wow. These are a lot to take in. Whoa, whose is this? It's Johnny's. Oh my gosh, he like totally colored his. And this one is Taeyong's. Yes, Taeyong said gay rights. We love that. This one is Taeil's. Why are these low-key cute though? They're really, really cute. Feels like elementary school drawings. There's Haechan's. Okay, these are normal photos. Okay, so we'll move this. There's Doyoung. The cutest scientist. Yeah, so like their scientist theme is so interesting. It's very different, but I really like it actually. So pretty. Those glasses though. Aw, that's such a cute photo. Whoops, whoops, whoops. These glasses though, those are something else. Okay, Haechan looks so cute in the glasses though. It suits him. And then next we'll go through the little mini calendar. This is cute. So here's the little standee for it that you just stand them up on. Ooh, we got Taeil and Haechan as my birth month. Love that. These are, oh, this is cute. It's like a total change in concept. So it's not all of the scientist concept. Aw, stop, that's so sweet. I really like Season's Greeting photo shoots because they just always seem extra soft in them. I don't know why. Except for EXO's Season's Greeting last year. That was like, I don't really know how to explain that, but their concept was so cool. Yeah, I caved and bought theirs last year because of the concept. I didn't buy EXO's this year because I don't know, like I've explained it before. I'm too lazy to explain it now, but I can't be getting so many Season's Greeting. It's too much money, and I don't have enough room for all these calendars, man. Ooh, this photo of Jaehyun, that's so pretty. I have to wait for a whole year to use that photo. Okay, why isn't this focused? There we go. And then we have the DVD, which we'll go through quickly. Ooh. Ooh. That's cute. And then we'll go through the desk calendar. Gear. I think that's what that says. NCT 127. So yeah, I didn't get Dreams or Wavies. I kind of liked it when SM last year combined them all in one. That would have been nice, but it might have been a bit too much for one Season's Greeting, because this year we have the addition of Hendery, Yang Yang, and Xiaojin, so I was like blanking out, but yeah, it might have been a bit too much. But you know, it probably isn't, and SM just wants to take all our money, which makes the most sense, and it's probably the actual reasoning. But that's okay. I just decided to get one. I've only ever gotten one every year, because 2018 they did divide 127 and Dream, and I only got 127 because I've only been getting one because money, and I just will get the one with my bias in the group, which is 127 because my bias is Jaehyun, so yeah. That's how I've been doing it. I'm just trying to save my money, to be honest. Last year was just great when they combined them all, but what can you do? Because like my other top biases, like Kun, is in the Wavy Season's Greeting, and I am not able to get it. Well, I mean, I am able to get it, but I just decide to only get one. Hopefully you understand me. I'm excited to put this up though in my room. November. Doyoung. And December is Jaehyun. I always have to wait a whole year for his photos. And that was the desk calendar. Next we have the brochure. Oh wow, ooh, these are cute. There's a bunch of selfies. I love that. Love that, love that. And I like that they signed it. That's pretty cool too. I like this. Oh, I love how these two are like a unit, the oldest and the youngest. That is so cute. These are really cute. I like this a lot. Oh, and more selfies. Are these the same? I think they are. Are they? Nope, they are the same. Okay. And then we have the diary. This is so nice looking. Ooh, that's like a pretty shade right there, the metallic blue. That's so nice. I never use the diaries ever, but they're just nice to look at. So funny. Love how they have their little units. Taeyong looks so freaking cute. Love that these two are a unit as well. We love Dojae. Ooh, interesting. Ooh, checklist, memo. Very interesting. Okay, so where is it? Right there. There's a Taeyong photo. And then should be right here, Johnny photo. And Taeyong photo. They're like weirdly spread out. And here's Utah photo. Oh. Doyoung. Jaehyun. Mark. Oh my god, my back hurts so bad and my legs because I'm filming this on my floor. Haechan. And some more group or unit cards or photos. I don't know what I'm saying. Alright. And then we have the stickers. I think there might be a couple in here. No, it looks like there's only two, so here are the stickers. This one, so cute. This one as well, oh my god. Why are Mark's cards or stickers so cute? That was the stickers, and lastly the A4 photos. Yeah, these are like, I don't really know the point of these A4 photos. I mean, they are very nice. But there's no backs to them, and they're just super huge. They're like little mini posters. They're so cute though. And we have some unit ones. I love the pairings for the units. They're like so perfect. Oh, and I didn't talk about Jungwoo not being in here, which is kind of sad, but understandable. I'm just really, really sad that he wasn't a part of this year's season's greeting. So that was it for this time. I hope you enjoyed, and thanks so much for watching. Bye!